Hello guys, welcome back to our weekly analysis video. If we check the Nifty 50 momentum from the previous 2 days, it is a very range bound day. Let me show you in the 15 minutes. This is a Wednesday chart, totally range bound day. We can check the opening, we can more see the range boundness in the Nifty Bank. If we check the opening and closing, the Wednesday chart, we can check that the whole day Nifty Bank traded in the same range, the opening candle between the opening candle. Sorry, yesterday also, or I said day before yesterday also, Nifty 50 had doesn't show a very good movement, but yes, a decent move, you can say this. But at the end of the time, all of the movement was, no more movement was there. From the previous 2 days, a gap up opening and then a sideways, gap up opening then a sideways. So no much trading opportunity you can see in Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank also. If we check the 1 day chart of Nifty 50, Nifty 50 is looking quite bullish now. I have also updated in my Telegram that I feel 15,800 would be a major support here, 15,800, and yes, it's also proved to be one of the major support. Nifty took a very good bounce back from there. Approximately Nifty 50 has recovered 10% from there. If we check, there was a trend line, sorry, there was a broken trend line. Why I am saying Nifty 50, I am feeling more bullish. Sorry, yes, the Nifty 50 has broke its major trend line, which is approximately at 17,000 levels. So 70,000 is also a psychological level as well as a trend line level. Nifty 50 has broken its major of the support. The next target I feel Nifty 50 is 17,750 and above. If we check the Nifty 50 weekly view, the weekly view from the past 2 weeks, Nifty 50 is looking very much bullish, you can say this. If we check the previous the 21st Feb week candle, we can check that there was a very good bounce back from the down levels. Similarly, the red candles are not that much bearish, whereas you check the blue candles, it is slightly bullish, you can see this. So I am clearly bullish on the Nifty 50, and you can see the target of 17,750 in the next coming week or two. It's my prediction. If we check the Bank Nifty is also looking quite bullish. Sorry, let me delete this. The Nifty Bank has not yet break its trend line levels, because you know when the एक second, wait, because of the Ukraine and Russia war, the most impact was seen in the Nifty Bank. When Nifty is falling 2%, Nifty Bank has shown a correction of more than 4 and 4.5%. You can check this. So Nifty Bank will take rather more time if compared with Nifty 50. So Nifty Bank major resistance was at the level of 38,000. You can check this. 38,000 was supposed to be a very important psychological as well as trend line resistance. If 38,000 is broke, the next easy level for Nifty 50 is directly 40,000, which can be easily touched, and then the new highs can be touched. So if we check the Nifty 15 monthly weekly view, same weekly view, the Nifty 50 Nifty Bank is also looking quite bullish, shown a very good momentum from the lows of 32,200 and is now currently trading at 36,400 levels. So I am bullish on Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank for the next trading week. If we check the SGX Nifty, it is also approximately 1 to 2% up, and the European market as well as the US market is also looking bullish too. The three stocks you can trade for the next week or for Monday, you can say, is first Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries has broke its major trend support and looking very much bullish, and is one of the major top gainer in the Nifty 50. It is currently trading at 2481 levels. The stop loss you can take is 2400, and the target is 2550. 2600 is the easy levels you can achieve. You can see it in this. Next stock is PI Industries. You can see it has formed a W pattern. Let me form it. A W pattern formation is there. Sorry. Yes, a W pattern formation is here, and it has break this also. So you can take a stop loss of 2600 or 2650 approximately, and a target which be yes. Let me check how much you can target you can take. So the target, sorry, the target would be same. A risk reward ratio would be 1. You can take a target of at 3000. It is a very good psychological resistance as well as the target levels. You can take a target of 3000, 200 points up, and the stop loss of 100 points down, 150 points down. So the third stock you can trade, if I give 2 buying, so 1 selling is necessary if the market doesn't go in your trend 2. The next stock you can sell is IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation. 121, it is trading at price of 121. The major rally when other stocks are falling, IOC was in a good momentum or not falling, you can say this, is because we can people are expecting that there was a rise, the increase in the price of rice would lead to the increase in price of the increase in price of crude could increase the price of petrol and diesel in the India also. So there was a good movement in IOCL, but there was not such a decision made by the government. So when in the previous trading session, when the market is at very much good momentum of 2%, IOCL remains negative. You can take a stop loss of approximately 125 with a target of 115, 113. Yes, this you can take this. Very good risk to reward also. 1:2, 1:3 is the risk to reward ratio. These are 3 stocks you can trade, and I have also told you Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank that I am bullish. Nifty 50 target 17,700, 17,800, and Bank Nifty if it broke 38,000, then the next target is immediately 40,000.